Mediterranean vegetable frittata. Vegetable frittata is a Mediterranean breakfast full of broccoli, veggies, fresh herbs, and feta cheese. You'll need following things to make it: eggs. For this frittata, use 6 large eggs, red, orange, or yellow bell pepper, 1 small zucchini, 2 roughly chopped green onions. Broccoli, cut 4 ounces of broccoli in size. To the other veggies: kosher salt, black pepper to taste, extra virgin olive oil, baking powder. Milk, use 1/4 cup of whole milk or non-dairy milk. Feta cheese, feta good combination with the olive oil and roasted veggies, fresh parsley and thyme. Preheat broiler. In a 10-inch cast iron or oven-proof skillet, sauté onion, peppers, and garlic in 2 tablespoons of oil. Set aside. In the same skillet, lightly brown potatoes. Add vegetable mixture and zucchini, cook for 4 minutes. In a bowl, beat eggs, salt and pepper, pour over vegetables. Cover and cook for 8 to 10 minutes or until eggs are nearly set. Broil 6 inches from the heat for 2 minutes or until eggs are set on top. Cut into wedges. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, live your nutritious life.